From genius workshop inventions to next-level power tools, these 20 incredible creations save time, boost precision, and make tough jobs look ridiculously easy. Honestly, your toolbox might get jealous. Buckle up, because these game-changing tools are about to blow your DIY-loving mind. The rigid 18-volt brushless stud and joist drill packs high torque, lightning-fast drilling, and advanced kickback protection into a lightweight, pro-ready design. It tears through wood so effortlessly, even stubborn knots start questioning their life choices. Now that's a drill with serious attitude. The 40-volt Max XGT brushless D-handle jigsaw delivers powerful, precise cuts with excellent control and a lightweight, ergonomic design. Built for demanding materials, it handles intricate work effortlessly. It cuts curves so smoothly, even straight lines get a little jealous. The Edelgrappa hydraulic hole puncher creates clean, precise holes in steel, aluminum, and copper with impressive speed and minimal effort. Built for demanding job sites, it delivers consistent results every time. It punches through metal so cleanly, even drills start feeling a little insecure. The EZARC Countersink drill bit set creates clean, flush-fit holes with precise depth control and durable high-speed steel bits. Perfect for woodworking, it delivers smooth, professional results every time. It's so accurate, even your screws show up looking perfectly rehearsed for the job. The adjustable Fortress All-Terrain provides a stable, elevated work platform with 360-degree protection, adjustable height, and built-in leveling for uneven ground. Designed for maximum safety and convenience, it keeps you secure. It's like giving your ladder a bodyguard in a promotion. The TIBONE titanium hammer delivers steel-like striking power at nearly half the weight, making framing and nail pulling easier with less fatigue. Built for durability, it features a magnetic nail starter and replaceable parts. It's the hammer that skipped arm day but still hits like a heavyweight champion. The rigid 18-volt brushless 2-tool combo kit pairs a high-torque hammer drill with a fast, powerful impact driver for demanding jobs. Built for performance and backed by a lifetime service agreement, it's like hiring two hard-working pros who never call in sick. The three-pronged pliers make installing rubber grommets on cables fast, easy, and comfortable. Their ergonomic design and quick-change prongs boost efficiency on every job. They stretch even the most stubborn grommets so effortlessly, the rubber practically waves a white flag and cooperates. The ProCut clamps, cuts, and bevels pipes in one smooth operation using nothing more than a cordless drill. Designed for faster, safer, and perfectly straight cuts, it simplifies pipework. It's basically the multitasker every workshop wishes it had sooner. This adjustable locking wrench grips stubborn and rounded fasteners with parallel jaws that tighten as you squeeze. Built from durable carbon steel, it delivers extra holding power when you need it most. It's like a regular wrench that finally learned not to let go. This ergonomic cable cutter slices through copper cables with less effort, reducing hand strain while delivering clean, precise cuts. Lightweight and razor-sharp, it's built for everyday electrical work. It cuts cables so smoothly the copper barely notices it's been separated. ThermoPlug Ash hides deck screws with matching wood plugs, creating a smooth, seamless finish on thermally modified decking. Designed for clean, professional results, it makes fasteners disappear. It's like giving your deck a magic trick where every screw vanishes without a trace. The Sunjo telescoping weeder loosens soil, removes weeds, and mixes compost with cordless convenience and an adjustable handle that saves your back. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for tight garden spaces. It pulls weeds so efficiently, your garden might finally stop growing them out of spite. The 40-volt brushless cordless lawnmower delivers powerful cordless cutting with a wide 510mm deck and 8 adjustable cutting heights. Built for efficient lawn care, it makes mowing effortless. Your grass won't know what trimmed it, but it'll definitely know who won. The 3-pole T-connector provides fast, tool-free electrical connections for lighting, pumps, and outdoor installations. Waterproof and easy to use, it simplifies temporary wiring jobs. It's the kind of connector that gets everything plugged in before your toolbox even opens. The magnetic work light sticks securely to metal surfaces, giving you bright, hands-free lighting in tight spaces. Its foldable, rotating LED head makes it perfect for maintenance and repair work. It's like having an extra hand that actually holds the flashlight where you need it. The Python clinching machine joins sheet metal quickly using powerful hydraulic force without welding or rivets. Lightweight yet capable of producing strong, reliable joints, it's built for demanding fabrication work. It squeezes metal together so tightly, even glue starts feeling unnecessary. The TDBC cutting dust. Extractor captures dust at the source while cutting, keeping your workspace cleaner and improving visibility. Compatible with most 115 and 125mm angle grinders, it helps make messy jobs far less messy. Even the dust struggles to escape this one. The F130N. Hydraulic cutter delivers massive cutting power for steel, copper, pipes, and automotive components with smooth, controlled operation. Compact yet incredibly strong, it's built for demanding job sites. It cuts through metal so confidently, even the scrap pile gets nervous. The Ryobi Framework. Workbench. Kit helps you build a sturdy, fully customizable workstation with ease. Strong, versatile, and workshop-ready, it keeps every project organized. It's so tidy, even your scattered tools might finally stop playing hide-and-seek and learn some discipline. Which tool blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'm curious. And don't ghost the subscribe button. It has trust issues. Hit subscribe for more amazing tools, mind-blowing gadgets, and incredible inventions you'll definitely want to see next.